Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove VoiceOver Rotor Shortcut items on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Then tap on VoiceOver. Next, go down and tap on Rotor. Then tap on Rotor Items. And from the list here, select the items that you want to select or remove. So go down the list here and select any items that you want to include or exclude. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.